Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Cora. If you're new here, thank you for dropping in, and if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. As you can tell from the background, it is Christmas time. There's my Christmas tree, and I do have another unboxing for you. And if you saw my last video, I did an unboxing for the Alma BB in the monogram Bernie leather in rose pale color, but it did have an indentation in it, so I decided to go ahead and just return it as opposed to exchanging it for a new Alma BB in the Bernie leather. I decided to just go ahead and get some more items that was on my wish list, and here is one of the items I have here. So obviously another unboxing. I've waited a bit to go ahead and open this. As you can tell, it's already Christmas time. And obviously, I'm doing this video a little different. You don't see my face. I actually did not put any makeup on or didn't dress all that great today. So I decided to just go ahead and just show the item. Well, this will actually give a little bit more of a close-up of the item anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the box. We'll go ahead and open it up. There you go. I really like the boxes that Louis Vuitton sends out. You can definitely just open it and it's easier to return if you decide you don't want to keep it. The box is reusable. Oh, here it is. And this time they actually put the ribbon on this one. Okay. It's kind of rough to get it open. There you go. And this one right here is for the 2020 Christmas collection. And it is the, oops, have it backwards, the passport cover. There you go. And this is in the rose ballerine color. And it has 4 credit card slots. In one pocket here, and then here on this side is a flap and another flap. This is my first passport cover, and it's actually so pretty, very colorful. As you can tell, some of my collection on some of my videos, you'll notice that I do love colors, love it to be very colorful. And I looked, of course, on YouTube to find any other videos on this, just because I was curious to see how it looks like. I did find one other video that was helpful. But wow, I really love the colors on this. And you see, it's in the monogram. And it has clouds here with the flower emblems on the clouds. Oh, that is so pretty. I like the little details here too, and the different colors that it has. Go ahead and put as an example, here's my passport. And this one I will be sliding it in here. There you go. So there it is. You have to kind of slide it in there and it'll cover up like that. You have to kind of push the passport cover in there. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's go ahead and go over the details on this. So on the website, this does say it is 3.9 inches in length. Just go ahead and measure that real quick. Yep, around there, around almost 4 inches. And then this one on height wise, it's about 5.5 inches. Yep, it's about 5.5 inches, and then about an inch wide, which we'll go ahead and measure. Yep, it's about an inch wide. Of course, depending on what you go ahead and put in your passport cover. And this one again is in the rose ballerine pink with the monogram coated canvas. And it has an open slot for the passport inside. but on the Louis Vuitton website it does say 3, but we can count here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 credit card slots, which you'll be putting vertical. Unfortunately, I don't have a credit card on me to go ahead and put on there. Here is also another card slot and another flap. And when I was checking this out, I was trying to determine if this itself was open, because on the Louis Vuitton website it didn't look open. It looked like it was stitched in like that and it's just a slip pocket, but it actually is a flap. It's pretty durable, pretty thick. Feels pretty sturdy on here. And then I just kind of fashioned a piece of paper that would probably be the size of a boarding pass, and I think that would go in here. Probably wouldn't go in all the way, and then you can have it closed and it would look like that. You can also have this on this side and probably have the passport this way, and then have your boarding pass on this side to have it look like that. Also, just as a comparison for the passport cover, I do have my Louis Vuitton agenda. This is in the PM size, and it is actually the same in height wise. I don't know if you guys can see that. Height wise. Length wise, the PM agenda is just, you can't even really see it, but it is roughly the same, similar sizes. See if I can get that a little straighter for you. So the PM agenda is slightly longer in length size, and obviously width size it is much wider. Actually, having it both together looks really cute because of all the colors. It's such a colorful, happy look. This is very happy to look at. Obviously, having a passport, looking at your passport, knowing that you're gonna go on a trip international. Definitely miss that during these COVID pandemic times. But I can only hope and wish that next year will be better. Hopefully, we all have a much better 2021 and so on. So buying this obviously made me look forward to traveling again. Some pictures, I guess I saw it on Etsy not on Etsy, I think I saw it on one of the reselling sites where some people actually use the PM agenda as a passport cover. Oops, dropped my pen. And how they would do that is they would have open this part right here and slide their passport inside, but it's definitely up against the rings on here and would probably make an indentation on your passport. But I have seen some pictures of people putting their passport in here, which is pretty cool because some people can use that as a wallet or a travel book. Or they'll have the passport here, you can put in a couple pages of note pages, and you can go ahead and put some of your credit cards in there. And maybe slip in some cash in there. I actually got this multicolored PM agenda, pre-loved, and I did an unboxing on it. I did record myself doing the unboxing, but I just never got around to editing the video and posting it up. But if you guys are interested in a little video on the agenda PM, definitely leave me a comment in the comment section below and I can go ahead and do that for you. Back to the passport cover, but it is so cute. There's Vivian. So let's go ahead and just look over it again. Hopefully this video helps you out if you were looking to get a passport cover, a Louis Vuitton passport cover, or a Louis Vuitton Agenda PM. They are actually really cute together. I love the colors. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and leave me a like or a subscribe down below. And I hope all of you have a beautiful, wonderful Christmas or happy holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate out there. And 2020 is coming down to an end, and hopefully we all have a great, wonderful 2021 coming up. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.